Hi friends, this video we are going to look for Coinbit. Coinbit will be a cryptocurrency exchange recently launched in India also. Right now they are giving for free coins, the worthable for $50. It means 15,000 coins. Okay, you can trade freely in this exchange because newly introducing in India. That's the reason they are giving this kind of currency until this month end. After that you will not get any coins over here. So whoever watching this video, I will give in the description for the link. You can click that link and you can open that account. You can enjoy over here and you can make money freely. And most of the friends ask for online job. That's the reason I have posted this video, and it will be very useful for each and every one, for the homemaker, whoever will be, even for students also you can do it. Okay, so I will fully explain in this video what is Coinbit, what is a overview, and what about the advantages for this one, and where is the origin of Coinbit. Everything I will explain in this video, so you can watch slowly. Okay, full video you can watch, that time only you could know how to create the account and how you can get all verification. That means KYC, know your customer. Once completed this KYC, that time only you will get the coins. This is only applicable those who are belongs to Indian. Okay, other country people also you can register, but for the free currency you will not get it. Only for Indian nationality people you can get it for free currency. Okay, I think let me go inside. Only 5 days will be remaining, so make it fast and register soon, and you can get the currency on time for the trade. Okay, it will be very free, 100% free only for getting currency. Okay, Coinbit. What is a Coinbit? Coinbit is a cryptocurrency exchange. It's we can call it as Bitcoin wallet, because we have stock market exchange like BSE and NSE and all will be there. But for trading in the cryptocurrencies, for cryptocurrency in a sense digital currency, we are not looking invisible. Okay, because we are using currencies like 10 rupee, 1 rupee. Okay, this kind of rupees and dirhams and dollars and all will be there. It is visible. But over here cryptocurrency, in a sense it is also like a currency, but it is not possible to invisible only in terms of digital currency. Okay, that's why we are calling as cryptocurrency. So such kind of currencies we are trading in an exchange. Okay, that exchange, that many exchanges will be there. So this Coinbit will be the one of the exchange for trading cryptocurrencies. Okay, for this exchange, otherwise we can call it as Bitcoin wallet also. And over here what will happen, only for trading. Okay, trading take place, you can buy and sell in this exchange for the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Litecoin. Okay, such kind of things you can trade over here. That is what that is what the Coinbit. And next we can move for overview of Coinbit, because this Coinbit, this will be the Bitcoin exchange. Okay, cryptocurrency exchange in the year 2018 started in Europe. Okay, Europe continent it has been started, but in India it has been started in the year 2021. That means this year, just 2 months back it has been started, and right now they are giving for free coins until this month end. That means July 31st, until July 31st they are providing for free coins only for Indian citizens, those who are registering. And it is a worthy of $50. That means 15,000 coins. Okay, this is what the overview of Coinbit. And next, origin of Coinbit, where it is started. Because origin for the exchange, you know, everybody else, 2008 Bitcoin has been started in the world. October 31st 2008 Bitcoin has been started, but this Bitcoin price booming in the period of 2017. Okay, after that only one by one list of exchanges has been started. Binance and Coinbit, blockchain, some other exchanges has been started after that only. Okay, so this is also one of the exchange. It has been started in the year 2018 in Europe. Okay, this is what the origin, and right now they started in India. That is what the Coinbit origin. And what is the advantage? Many cryptocurrency exchanges will be there, and what is the advantage over here? We can trade over 50 different cryptocurrencies, different type of cryptocurrencies available in the world. We can trade, okay, over here. That is what the first advantage. And another one, unmatched securities with over 95% currency stored in cold wallet. Suppose if you not ready to buy and sell, you can stake as well as you can get earning. Stake in a sense normal, suppose you are having for 1 lakh rupee, you are depositing into a bank for fixed deposit, right? You are getting certain percentage of income, interest, that a certain percentage of interest money you are getting on monthly basis or yearly basis. As the same way, from here they are giving for monthly basis. That term they call it as staking. Okay, and for the third one, incredible performance with processing speed of 10,000 trades per second. Over here in this exchange they are trading 10,000 trades. Okay, and the fourth advantage, trade anywhere with a simple click. In your mobile you can trade over this Coinbit. Okay, you not required for any laptop or any computer. Anywhere else you can sit and you can trade. That is what the another big advantage. And for the last one, trading and settlement in seconds through our massive liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity in a sense easily converted into cash. That is what we required, right? Why we are depositing into a bank? Whenever we require money, we are taking out, right? So such kind of facility is also available in Coinbit. If you are trading right now, in a fraction of second it will reflect in your account. That is what saying here. Okay, the next one, how to create account. That is what we are going to look right now, how to create account in the Coinbit. Okay, in the mobile I will show you how to create. Yeah, over here only you can go for I will give in the description that link, you can click. Okay, it will go over there, and from there it will ask for your email ID as well as for the password. You can give your email ID as well as for the password, and password contains your capital letters as well as one symbol as well as for the numbers also. Okay, based on that you can create a password, and that's it. Now I am logging in. Just you can track it, the symbol. Okay, normally we will type it for captcha, right? But this will be a cryptocurrency exchange, that's the reason it will show like that. See, new device confirmation. So in your mail you can go and check. After creating an account, in your email one code will be coming. That code you have to see here. Yeah, this is what the code. This code you have to go there and type it. Once create the account, okay, once you're log in, that time you will get this code. You can log in over there. Okay, now I logged in. This is what the interface will show after logged in your account. This is what the market, this is what the interface where we can trade, buy and sell. This and all I will tell you in the next video. I will post for remaining videos, okay, how to trade and everything else. Okay, now you can go and check for the wallet. Okay, now you're checking. I already told you the $50 worthable coins you will get. That means 15,000 coins. Now I am checking, it is not. Why? Because we did not fulfill for KYC. Okay, so now you can go for profile, and it's available for personal detail, right? And from this one only you have to fulfill. Okay, after fulfilling only you will get those coins. Two way available, Indian citizen as well as other country also. Only one difference, other country people you will not get for free coins. Only Indian citizens, yeah, you can get for the free coins. That is what the difference. Rest all detail will be the same. And personal info you have to fill first name, last name, and for if you're in UAE you can upload your Emirates ID front as well as for Emirates ID back side. Okay, then you have to take a photo, keep with your this Emirates ID as well as signature. If you are an Indian citizen, okay, now we are looking for Indian citizen. Why? Because you people only getting for free coins. Okay, before proceeding this one, they are telling you have to keep the following documents, that is for Aadhaar card and PAN card, or else voter ID, or else in driving license, or else in passport. Okay, these are all the things only required. So if you are having Aadhaar card as well as for PAN card, that is sufficient for proceeding this one. I am giving as proceed and personal information which is available in your identity card. That means for Aadhaar card, what is available, same name only you have to provide over here. Okay, full detail you have to give for your date of birth as well as your gender, or your male or female. Okay, you can fill it. I already filled. Now second will be the address information. Suppose the address is available for many lines, just you can type it in the address line 1. Don't put any commas. Okay, continuously you can type it, just you can give a space if you want nearby the commas. Then you can give us next. Another one will be the document info, Aadhaar card as well as PAN card. And Aadhaar card will be the front page. It should be in JPG image and the capacity will be 2 MB. More than 2 MB it will not accept, so keep it like that for front as well as for the backside image. Now you can upload and add file. If you are giving, in a sense, you can take a photo, or else you saved in your desktop, easily you can upload. So right now the first process has been completed. Now I am doing for PAN card upload. Okay, you have to type it for name and what is your PAN card number, and it is individual or business PAN card, that is PAN card type, that also you have to choose it, and you can fill all the detail. In the second page it will ask PAN card front page. It is also same thing, JPG image and 2 MB only. Okay, in a clear way you can upload. Okay, now I have been uploaded for 2 Aadhaar as well as for the PAN card. Then you can give as next. This will be the important point. What is that? You can write it in one paper, coin bit, and for the today's date, and in the left side you can keep it for your Aadhaar card as well as for the PAN card, and tell them to your friend or someone else, take a photo, then upload over here with the clear image. That is very important, and I completed those things. Right now it is showing for processing information for verification. It is passed. Okay, this is a way you have to fill the account. I think this information will be very helpful. Link I will provide in the description. You can click over there and you can log in all your details. Okay, if there is any further doubt, you can ask me through the comment. I will help you out. If you are a new users, you can subscribe this channel and you can click a bell icon. And one more thing I forgot to say, it will take for 3 hours duration for taking approval. Sometimes it will take for 4 days or 5 days. Okay, after getting approval it will credit in your account. So the next video I will post how to trade and how to earn money in this. Okay, in a free way without investing any amount from this portal. Okay, I think it will be very useful for everyone. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this.